with a favorite. Next big thing, gates open. Juggling act draws for your lead. Halo Star is on the outside. Running by the rail is the favorite. Next big thing, Jen's Joy. Then followed over by Classical Jade. Then next in line, Don Barako. Owaki is on the outside. Our Solemn Prayer. Followed by Go, Topless, and Anonymous is the early trailer. Past the 3/4 mile pole and heading towards the back. Now we have the favorite. Next big thing in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Juggling Act is in second. Racing in third, Halo Star. Running on the outside, Owaki. Then followed by Classical Jade. Moving up by the rail, Our Solemn Prayer. Don Barako comes next. Then followed now by Go Topless. Second last, Jen's Joy. And a long way back to Anonymous. Heading towards the final 600. It's still next big thing in command by Haplank. Juggling Act is still in second. Racing in third still is Halo Star. Closing in fourth by the release Our Solemn Prayer as they turn to the last 450. Juggling Act from the outside takes the lead over next big thing by the rail. Our Solemn Prayer closing in together with Go Topless with the last 200 meters more to run. Juggling Act now in command, followed by next big thing. Go Topless now coming in on the outside. Halo Star with the last 50 meters. It's Juggling Act. Go Topless. Next big thing, Halo Star. Our Solemn Prayer for your Pentapecta. Then comes Anonymous, Don Barako, Owaki, Classical Jade, and Jen's Joy.